Hindu law legislation made progress and was ripe for being presented to him for his assent. He felt perturbed and wanted to know whether he could, active in his capacity as president, put forward his opposition to the proposals in the bill so as to prevent them from being passed by Parliament. In the interview which he had with him, he pointed out to him what he thought was the constitutional position of the president. He could, like the British monarch, try and persuade his ministers, and persuasion coming from so high a quarter would undoubtedly carry great influence as it had done many a time in British constitutional history. But if such persuasion failed, he told him that he was bound to act according to the advice of his ministers. The second occasion arose after Krishna Menon had become the defense minister, and certain appointments made by him of high military officers had caused considerable dissatisfaction. Dr. Rajendra Prasad sent for him at the Raj Bhavan at Bombay, Para. His question was whether, as president in whom the supreme command of the defense forces of the Union was vested, he could send for individual army officers and elicit information from them. The answer which Mr. Settleward gave was a firm negative. He said that the President could, through his Council of Ministers or through the Defense Minister, send for any member of the armed forces he wished to meet, but could only interview him in the presence of the Minister M.C. Settleward, My Life, Law and Other Things, 1970, reprinted 2012 at 172. So this was the justice personality of Mr. Settleward who advised the high constitutional functionaries on issues of great importance. The opinion which Mr. Settleward gave to President Dr. Rajendra Prasad was by and large accepted and followed, and was also endorsed by the Supreme Court in its judgments. The Attorney General holds a high stature and is supposed to advise the government on issues of high importance. He should be thoroughly well versed in all branches of all so that he could tender an objective advice to the government. After Settleward, this office has been held by a number of reputed jurists such as C.K. Daftari, Niren De, S.V. Gupte, L.N. Sinha, K. Parasaran, Soli Sorabji, G. Ramaswamy, Milan K. Banerjee, G.E. Vahanwati, and Mukul Rohtgi. By and large, this institution has performed well in our country, barring a few instances when the Attorney General fully toed the line of the government. During the 1975 emergency, the then Attorney General Niren De replied to a question by Justice H.R. Khanna that during the emergency period no right to life was available to the people. Similarly, in 2005, stop.